Don't know if my phone will let me do this, but I just put the front sway bar on. I tried recording it, but I ran out of space because it was running on too long. Considering struggling to get the bushings on these front bushings over the sway bar, so I had to take it back off. But I has new end links, new bushings in front. Sway bar's only a 3/4 inch bar. Just like that's just what my brother intended to put on it. Since this one was painted, maybe someday I'll upgrade it to a 1 inch or 1 1/4, but they are energy suspension. He had the